It's not too late to make life-changing money this crypto bull run, but you got to be prepared. And I have 4 time-tested, rock-solid, bulletproof strategies that you can deploy today to make sure your capital goes to Valhalla with the rest of altcoins. Now, make sure you bookmark this video and maybe share it with a crypto curious friend. And hey, if you like this kind of commentary, something that's down to earth and practical, like and follow this profile because I have thousands of imposters and I don't want you to get scammed. Okay, strategy number 1, wait for the wave. Don't chase the wave, okay? Don't chase the pump. Let me explain. Right now, you see Bitcoin reaching new all-time highs, which we've been calling for weeks and months. You see meme coins, crazy meme coin stories every day in the news. Both of those 2 types of digital assets, meme coins and Bitcoin, they are the welcome mats into the crypto universe. And many new retail investors migrate. They gravitate towards Bitcoin and meme coins. Meme coins, obviously, for their parabolic short-term gains. Bitcoin for its solidity, its legitimacy, and its reputation on Wall Street and Main Street. But the number 1 way to fail this crypto cycle is to try to catch up with everyone else. To play keeping up with the Joneses in crypto is actually kind of dangerous. Instead, you need to understand that crypto is full of narratives. It's full of different sectors or genres, if you will. And all of those narratives rotate profits amongst each other. So instead of chasing the pump or chasing the wave, go ahead and get your surfboard in the water, in the calm water of another legitimate narrative that's going to get liquidity in the near future. Then you can get your 10x, your 20x, your 30x there and never have to play the catch-up game. 3 particular narratives that you could potentially, at the time of this video recording, you could potentially consider are gaming, AI, real-world assets, and a few other layer 1 blockchain ecosystems like Avalanche or Sui. That's where you can find a lot of burgeoning, hidden kind of like iceberg under the water gains that haven't been realized by the broader market yet. Number 2, for those of you who've been investing, maybe you round-tripped your portfolio. Last cycle you got caught. Maybe you bought Bitcoin or your crypto utility coins at all-time highs and you've been sitting on them for 2 years. Or maybe you bought something in the bear market that has simply underperformed. Well, it's time to cut bait. It's time to actually look yourself in the mirror and go, you know what? I'm emotionally attached to this dog of a coin and I've got to move on. And so number 2 is to rebalance your losers into new fortified winners for this cycle. Number 3, connected to number 2, look for the winners. I'm looking for coins who have not been through a bull run yet, who did not exist in the previous cycle, that have small and mid-cap market caps so that their opportunity or their day in the sun is basically guaranteed. There's nothing guaranteed in crypto, but you get my drift. If they've already been around for a while, it's going to be really hard for them to match previous cycle highs just because of the law of diminishing returns and the way tokenomics work in dilution, etc. But there are some tried and true blue chip cryptos that are going to give you a solid 3 to 5x moving forward. But if you're in crypto, you're probably in it for more than 3 to 5x. So look for the newer tokens with smaller market caps and make sure they've got some kind of business enterprise value, not just some neon snot-nosed monkey picture that may or may not exist tomorrow. Number 4, be careful who you listen to on social media. This channel, the red channel, the blue channel, the purple channel, the whatever channels you're listening to, make sure you understand what you're doing. Acquire the skills of looking at a digital asset, have a checklist, kick the tires, lift the hood. Just because a TikToker says a ticker symbol and they believe it's going to pump through the moon, whether it be a meme coin or a utility-based altcoin, doesn't mean you need to go and purchase it right now. And hey, They may have 500,000 followers. They may do 2-hour lives every day. That doesn't mean you need to accumulate the altcoins that they're talking about like Boy Scout merit badges. Because here's a little dirty secret about the cryptocurrency industry. Whether you like it or not, a lot of venture capitalists, a lot of token teams have a percentage of between 5 and 15% of the pie chart of total allocated funds to pay for marketing. And what is marketing in crypto? Key opinion leaders, KOLs. People get paid. The people you're following, the people you say you trust, are taking dollars behind the scenes to make sure they pump your bags and someone else's so that someone else can sell and you get left holding the total bag. And I just don't think that's what you're wanting to do in crypto, is to hold someone else's bag and carry someone else's water. Number 5, a bonus tip. Don't invest alone. Kind of connected to number 4. If your only crypto community are these virtual best friends that you follow on this channel, on this platform, or others, then you're operating with a lack of data. And you are not a capital allocator. You are a gambler. If you are investing alone in the crypto hemisphere, you are in trouble this cycle. Make sure you connect with crypto informed people who have data, people who have community, people who are getting feedback loops daily, weekly, monthly on what's actually happening, not just in the crypto world, but in the macroeconomic scheme of things. Did you know that the cryptocurrency asset class is like a feather on the end of a branch on a windy day? And all of the wind and the rest of the branches and the trees are the rest of the world economy. And that little leaf is 1,000,000% affected by all the other context around them. So make sure you have access to a good community that shares your core values, your worldview, and has your goals and their goals in mind. That's it. If you found this helpful, please comment below a number 1. If you're still here, I just want to know if you watched the whole video. So just give me a number 1 in the comments, and also like and follow if you want to hear more of this kind of jibber jabber moving forward. Hope this is helpful. Like and follow, send to a crypto curious friend, and I'll see you in the next video.